In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your Reddit avatar. You'll learn how to style and customize your Reddit avatar effortlessly, whether you're using the app or the website. So follow these steps. 1. Open the Reddit app on your mobile device. On the home screen, locate and click the yellow avatar icon in the top right corner. In the pop-up menu, select the Create Avatar button. If you already have an avatar, opt for the Style Avatar button instead. Reddit will take you to its avatar shop. To create your avatar with 3 elements, tap the Edit tab at the top. Select outfits, hairstyles, facial features, and more from the available options. Once you're satisfied with your selections, tap Save and then confirm to display your new avatar. By following these steps, you can easily change and customize your Reddit avatar directly from the app, allowing you to express yourself uniquely on the platform. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.